Next 66-day challenge gets started in social media. I'm Amy Stack, and today is day 60 of our challenge. Can you believe it? We're almost all the way through. Today, we will be covering live streaming on YouTube. In this challenge, you will learn how to present and record live on your YouTube channel. Before we get started, if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about marketing with technology for your business, start now by subscribing to my channel. Just click that red subscribe button and hit the bell icon to make sure you get the recent notifications. So creating a periodical live show on YouTube is a great strategy to grow your audience with live streaming on YouTube Live. The platform makes it easy to schedule future streams, and your viewers can add the upcoming events to their calendars with reminders. You could use this in your business to host virtual open houses, buyer seminars, or seller workshops. You can even do a weekly live to give a market update for your area. I'm going to show you a little bit about how to make that happen. So I'm on my channel here. And to start a live, you're going to start in a similar way that you would to upload your video. So you want to go over to that little camera icon with the plus sign where it says create a video or a post, and just click that. And then the difference here is that instead of choosing to upload your video, you're going to hit the Go Live button. Pretty simple. I'm going to show you a couple of options you'll have when that screen pops up. So you'll be on the Manage screen, and from here you can actually schedule a time to go live in the future, or you can decide to go live right now. So we're on Manage. It looks like it's still loading a little bit. So if you do want to schedule one for the future, you have the opportunity to upload a thumbnail just like you would for a video. When viewers come to your channel before the event, they'll be able to see that thumbnail and see that it's scheduled, and they can set a reminder to be notified a few minutes before you start that live stream. So you can see here I'm in the Manage section, and I can just come all the way to the right and hit that blue Schedule Stream button. And this part is very similar to uploading our video. So if you need a refresher on any of that, you can go back to the past few days of our challenge on how to upload videos to your YouTube channel. So you'd put in your title, if you want to add a description, when you are going to be doing this live stream, and then right here is that option that I told you you would have to upload a thumbnail. You can also go into your advanced options, age restrictions, all of that kind of stuff, and then hit Create Stream. So that's how you can schedule one for the future. And then back over on the left-hand side, you see we have webcam and we have stream. So webcam will let you use the camera on your computer, or if you have a webcam that's attached, externally, you can use that as well to go live right now. You'll have a similar setup that you do again when you're adding a pre-recorded video to your channel. So you can see we have the title option. I could schedule it for later. That would put us back into that Manage section. Or I can go forward with it, hit Next, and I'd be live on YouTube right now. The third option we have on that left-hand side is the Stream option. So Stream will allow you to connect a streaming program like StreamYard is one of the ones I use. I'll go ahead and put my link in the description of this video if you want to check that out. So you can connect that to your channel so that you can stream in multiple locations at once. So you'll have to have some sort of software already ready to go to connect to this streaming system. But this will allow it is popular because it allows people to broadcast their live stream on YouTube as well as other platforms like Facebook or Twitch. So if you're wanting to stream to multiple locations at one time, as long as you have that streaming service, and there's a bunch out there, you can use this stream button at the top, and then you'll follow the tutorials in here as you go live. So when you first log in, to this screen, you can see there's stream setup help. You can click that and there'll be a little wizard that pops up to walk you through all the steps, and it'll vary a little bit based on what streaming software you are using. So I wanted you to be aware of the 3 different ways you can use the live feature on YouTube. And that is how you set it up. So I want you to go ahead and write in the comments what you think you would be using this feature for in your business. Are you going to do live updates? Do you just want to be able to chat and do some open Q&A with your viewers? Any way you think you could use it in your business, go ahead and leave it in the comments for us, and then come back tomorrow at 7:30 a.m. for our next challenge. And we'll actually be talking about the difference between scheduling a video and doing it as a premiere, so you can see what will be best for your business. So I'll see you tomorrow at 7:30 a.m.